What up, VeVe fam? Today is the Spider-Man comic drop. It's dropping in 1 minute, and it's one of these things, I don't know what it's called, where you have to line up this button so that you could click it like, like that. I think I'm gonna do this. Is it perfectly lined up? So you go crazy with it. I would say that's pretty good. Maybe I should do it a little higher. I think it's a good lineup. So in 30 seconds, this comic book is going to drop, and I'm going to do this rapid fire clicking, and hopefully I will be able to get one. Hopefully I'll be able to get a rare. No, 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 don't fuck with me. It's 5 seconds. All right, I'm going to start clicking crazily. Did I get anything? Oh my God. It looks like it's that same type of thing where maybe in 4 minutes I'll get a drop. What the hell? I'm not going to back out of this page because the last time I kept pressing buy it now, after the rapid fire, I got something, but that was 4 minutes in. So I'm going to sit here for 4 minutes and do this and see what happens. Because, I used to ignore the comic books, and then I was like, hey, wait a second. I could flip these too, because they got an ultra rare, and they got a secret rare, and all these rares and whatever. It's only $6.99. One minute has passed. Oops. And also the marketplace is closed 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after a drop. And then you have to wait for your piece to actually arrive to you. I really want to get one. Come on. A lot of you have said that I've been really lucky. I think it's just my high-speed internet that has been making me lucky, but we will see today if my luck is still there. I think I should be lucky on the 4-minute drop. I am sick, by the way, in case you're wondering. I put up a video of a home remedy for lemon tea, which helped me a lot. If you're interested, go check that out. Come on, give me a damn Spider-Man comic. See my... Should I be doing this? It's not like working like that, like the rapid click. 3 minutes. See, if I click it doesn't do anything. I have to wait for the window to open. Almost at the 4-minute mark. I hope I get one. Okay. It's the 4-minute mark and I'm not seeing anything, so kind of feeling weird. It's the 5-minute mark. How long do I have to do this for? I mean, I tried my best. I'll go until 10 minutes and then I'll give up. Just gonna go like this. What the hell happened? What the hell happened? Excuse me, VeVe. What the fuck? No. Why the hell did my screen turn black? Don't fuck with me, VeVe. The hell is that? Son of a bitch. I think it's fucked up now. It's probably gonna say sold out. Sold out. So I don't know if the app just glitched, or I don't know if they did that to stop people from doing buy it now, but that was a flop. So if that happened to you, or if you have any tips for me, let me know. Otherwise, I hope everyone has a good day and I'll see you on the next VeVe drop. Also, if you want to see some of my previous tutorials, just roam around my page. There's a bunch of them. So thanks guys, bye.